Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a bootable device of Kali Linux. So first thing, we need to download Kali Linux ISO. For that, go to a browser, just click Kali Linux ISO. Then you will find the first website as Kali Linux. Go inside it. Then here you have to choose your platform. Do you want for installer image or virtual machine, for mobile, for cloud, for containers, for live boot, for WSL and etc. Right now I want for installer. I click on this. Once you click this, you will get every details which support this installer. And also if you want to Apple Silicon chip, you can choose this, or else Windows system you can choose this. So click on this. It is of about 4.3 GB. Just wait for a few minutes, it will get downloaded. This is the downloading part of Kali Linux. Now you can see the download is completed. So when you check in files, you can see the Kali Linux. Then now open Rufus. It will ask you necessary permission, give yes. Now connect the pen drive to your system. Once you connect, it will show the name. Here choose the ISO, that is Kali Linux. It will take some time. Then choose the MBR or GPT partition, where MBR is for old and GPT is for new kind of partition. You want to change the name, please change the name, and which file format you have to choose. NTFS is new file technology and FAT32 is old file technology. I'll put on I mark about the file system, choose that, then give start. It will ask necessary permission, click OK and again yes, then yes, give OK. So this will start the copying of file and converting bootable device of this pen drive. So stay tuned until this. So now you can see it is ready. Just press close, and if you want to verify, just go to this PC and go to Kali Linux and verify everything is there. Then as usual, just eject the pen drive, then start working with this. That's it guys, thank you for watching.